Hey there, it's Brendan here from Online Growth Group. I'm going to show you how to create a URL redirect in Shopify. Now, some of the most common uses for this in Shopify is if you're changing the product name, but you're not creating a new product. So if I had, for example, blue t-shirts and then change the name to blue vintage t-shirts, which I'll show you now in an example, I want the URL to now show blue-vintage t-shirts. So what I'll show you is if I go over to products on the left-hand side, click add a product. What I'm going to do is type in blue t-shirt. And I scroll down and click edit website SEO. You'll see the page title is automatically updated and the URL handle. But now I want to change this to a blue vintage t-shirt or a blue Nike t-shirt and click save. And as you can see, the page title has updated. However, the URL handle is still the previous basic link to the site. So what you can do is highlight it and press delete. And by default, it'll update it with the new one, which will be matching to your page title, or you can type in your own there. So I can just type in, for example, Nike shirt or Nike t-shirt, whichever you like. I'm just going to delete it and make it reflect the new name. But what you want to do is you don't want to just leave it there like that and click save, because basically the old traffic, website traffic that was going to blue t-shirt, if you just change the link, it won't go anywhere. It'll go to a 404 page cannot be found website page on your website. So what you want to do is click this link here, and then that creates a redirect from this link to this link here. And let's click save. And I'm going to go down. So now that's, if I check it now, it's now updated. Just going to click save, go to online store. And now I'll show you how to view basically all of your URL redirects and do it outside of a product page. So you might have deleted a previous URL, or you may have basically updated content and you want to send some traffic to another page. A common example of this is if someone has maybe 10 pages that are all around how to create redirects for Shopify. But now you've created an entire blog, which is basically a guide with all the information about URL redirects for Shopify in one page. So I'm changing those previous links to just link to the new page now. So I'm going to go to the left-hand side, and after I've clicked online store, go to navigation. On the top right, you'll see view URL redirects. I want you to click that. You'll see two that I've just mucked around with before, or this one we've just created. And now I want you to click create a URL redirect. You'll then paste the link from the previous one and paste it to where the new link that you want to go to, and then just click save. Once you've clicked save, it'll now show up in this link here, in this list here. Perfect. And if you are changing stores, you can export them and add that into, and then import the list into your new store. That way you don't lose any of the redirections. Thanks very much. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel.